Good morning guys, hello baby here, welcome to this vlog. I have a special one guys, it's early morning over here. I thank God for the gift of life. Anyway guys, thank you so much for clicking my videos, and for my returning subscriber, I appreciate for the love and support guys. So today it's early morning, as you can see right here. So right now I'm just around at Sunset Cave, and today I'm supposed to promote their business. At the same time, today I'm going to prepare delicacy food for my family, and actually for the first time. So anyway guys, let me know in the comment section what do you think about on today's videos. But let's go this way. I came with my baby right here, so it's helped me a lot. So I want to take you outside from the Sunset Cave and then to see what's going on. So you can see behind me the house. Man, when I came here I feel like I'm in coastal beaches. So that being said, because we have fresh airs, empty space during hot season, like you can maybe have that nature. So this is the tarmac right here. Actually after this I'm going inside, take some small breakfast, but I don't mind to eat mandazi, like because of those cooking oil. I don't mind a lot of mandazi. Maybe I would try one auntie. That's the end of story. So I want to promote the business here and there, so maybe for the first time to launch their business. And anyway guys, flow with vibe to the end. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Subscribe. And I say God thank you so much. Every day I upload the videos. I got new member on my YouTube channel. If I can get maybe 5 people subscribed to my channel, I appreciate, you know. So I'm heading this way guys, and you'll see what I'm going to be served. Let's go. Wow guys, welcome to Sunset Cave. Sunrise from east, set to west. Welcome to Sunset Cave. But it's an incredible story. Right now the sun rise from east, set to west, means that we're supposed to take maybe cafe when the sun sets toward west, because this Sunset Cave. Why not? Like two similar words. Wow. Let's see where I'm supposed to sit. Maybe here, and when it's at night to have the light. So today I don't want to talk too much. Maybe for the people who are new here, there's a day I was been here. Let me say less than 2 days I was been here, and actually my intro starts here. But on my today's videos is to prepare my family with a delicacy food or delicious food for the first time. So I'm on the way because right now my brother and sister went to school, so I want to prepare for the lunch time when they came and have some delicious meal on the table, you know. So like to eat in good time and do all stuff. So I supposed to sit here because of the lights. You see the sun is coming from there. And a big shout out to Monkia 23. He was a nice guy all the way from America. He bought for me this bike, and imagine my work is to put some gas, go around the village, looking the videos, how to make, but for me, I'm flow with vibe to the end. That's how I am. Like on my yesterday videos, I host one of our upcoming YouTuber guys. Please and go check Felicitas. Subscribe to her channel. I appreciate. So right now I see some changes toward her channel. Like she get like 5 subscribers per day. And guys, please, in case you're new here on my today's videos, go and support her. I appreciate. Maybe most of the time you will see maybe sometime helping her, sometime she can do her own videos. It depends, you know, the way I have been mentored by David Jr. For me, let me use that chance maybe to support each other. So maybe she can put something on table. She can help the family the way I'm helping my family, you know. So I know maybe for the haters they will charge me wrong, but I don't care. I just focus ahead, minding my own business. Anyway guys, no time for negativity. Let me have my breakfast here. I'm telling you, we have the blocks here, man. I'm so scared. Look. Ooh. It's so big, man. If we have this one, let me say 1,000 blocks, it can keep running your bungalow. 5 bedroom. This one here, trust me, because it's big. Look, maybe from here up to here it's 9. Here up to here it's 6. I think so. You see guys, the car is passing right there. So today, like that being said, I don't want to eat too much mandazi. Maybe I'll try one and some 1 cup of tea, because like mandazi, it has a lot of like fats or cooking oil. So for me, like I put more effort eating bread, but it was my first time at launch Sunset Cave, the business. So just over here we have mandazi, we have tea here, and it's so hot. Say hello.
Hello guys. First of all, how are you, bro?
I'm good.
Even me, I'm good. I'm doing great. Thank God for everything. Yes. Hello.
So today I came here to promote a business.
Yeah.
And I'm not like I'm not a lover of mandazi,
yes,
but I'll try one. You look for yenye imekauka ndo tanipa.
Yes, you will search with your own hand. You can take this one and search it. But my mandazi, there's no many.
Yes.
Salad.
I don't like the mandazi which having many. Okay, first I want to wash my hand.
Yeah.
And
you
then
wash your hand.
You serve me.
I serve you, no problem. I was
showing
you
me
to see.
Yeah, this snatch or mandazi. Snack, not snatch, snack or mandazi here in my village here.
We call it mandazi.
Mandazi are Swahili words. Yeah. Because that being said, most of the German country, like especially in Africa here, the country which have been called us by the Germany, most of those countries speak Swahili. So mandazi is a Swahili word.
Yeah.
You know. So even right now, I want to take on mandazi and 1 cup of tea. Wapi tunosha mikono baba?
I will wash you with it.
No, bring more. It's not washing me. Bring water, I wash my hand, because hygiene are very, very important. And then, what next? As he bring what? Oh, this is the borehole here.
Yeah.
Nana chimba, maana ameenda kukifinya kwenda chini.
I don't know why, but
yeah, they have some project of digging the borehole here.
Yeah.
Hey.
You know we have a problem with the water.
Yes, I know.
We go to bring some from the neighbor there. We bring from that side.
Yes.
Stuff.
The way like I have a problem with my water at home there. I don't know how I'm going to manage when I'm building my mama dream house. No water there. It's crazy. It's crazy, man. But Let me see. So far so good. Right now I'm remaining with balance stones. I was working on that. So on my today's vlog, like on my yesterday vlog, guys, on my yesterday vlog, I closed the chapter of buying hardcore stone. So when I'm saying hardcore, I mean a stone like this. I mean this. So technically right now, no pressure on stones here and there. Probably money is everything. Money is everything. And money is a scarce of resources. If you doesn't have money, you can't run your business. If you doesn't have money, you can't manage your own things. So money is everything. And for me, like amount that I receive maybe every month here and there, or amount that I receive maybe when I get money here and there, I keep pushing on buying materials. So far so good. I'm remaining with blocks and balance stones. When I buy those two things, I close those chapter. And then the reason why I want to use the blocks outside is to run the house within, let me say, 4 to 5 days. The house outside have been completed, and then the bricks which I bought for my neighbor, it can used to partition for the rooms, guys. This I think I put clear, so like that way, because I'm just like one master at a time. One master serving 100 people, simply because it's by God's grace. And for me, I say, God, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, for giving me a good health, good life. And imagine, guys, at the same time, my brother went to school, paying rent, buying shopping here and there, and then we have my young brother and sister at home, taking them to school. And guys, through you, for your support, they have nice clothes, nice shoes, they have bicycle. Imagine, guys. I want to say thank you so much for those people who keep supporting me. My God bless you. And my good thing is, I make things clear. I bought the bicycle, I make the videos, and everything that I do. But I must be very careful. There's something which, maybe there's something which it's private, something which is public. The public one I can put you guys, you can see around. But a private one, maybe I'll do off camera. Imagine. That's the issues about my family. But anyway, guys, right now, even as I speak here, my mama enjoyed the life. Through you guys, you see nowadays, mama, she didn't work so hard. And I appreciate. But anyway, guys, to cut story to be short, on today's videos, you will see how I'm going to cook the food for my family. I want to prepare right, like in the morning, for the lunchtime. When my brother and sister came to school, they will find something on table very, very special. Wow, this sunset cave, that's the cave right there. They have some maybe business here or some project. Oh, they've been keeping chicken here, but nowadays no chicken here. This acts as a store. There's our neighbor for the sunset cave. You can tell right there. There's the toilet have been built, like 2 doors, and it reminds for me like I built 3 doors. These are grass here. This grass for sheltering, like for shelter this structure here. The way you see that structure have been sheltered. And maybe people will ask me, hello baby, why most of you people maybe engaged to use this grass as a roofing shelter? Simply because it can create warm in the house. And then let me say, like during hot season, you can sit your house, like grass house, no, like you can't feel those hot. So, and we appreciate our culture. Even me, I was born on that grass house before my parents built those muddy house or those semi-permanent house. But I feel those pain. I want, like, I will build my mama dream house. So over here we have another project for building. They wanna build toilet. This is the toilet here. And in fact, right now people come with new technique for building here and there. So let's see. It's kind of a hay. So guys, I'm telling you, I'm hungry. Let me try the food. Tata itembe. Nakuona. Kana marume heke ni nani? Tafanya haraka moja. Unajua niko njaa sana.
Ungekuwa umeshanawa bana.
Kuna haina shida. Dad, so you introduce, umejisahau.
Sasa hata siko na jiko.
Kamera inakuwa on.
Hello guys, how are you doing? Hope you're fine. It's my first time on your channel. I'm Amy's Diary, also a content creator from right here in the village.
Okay.
So I'm here to buy some. Yeah.
Okay.
Recharge and try again.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Yeah, see you later. Okay. Muracho kwanza ni kunywa chai kwanza. There's one of guy right there. You want to make story?
How much? 10 bob? 10?
Yeah, 10 bob is okay. It's okay, bro. You may touch. Because it's all morning over here. I don't want overloading, like eating too much food.
Maybe I give you...
No. I can touch here. Don't do cinnamon. Hey, that's tipper. Right there. You see, you have a good business here.
Not yet. No, people came, and why do you tell me I have a good business?
Yes, that's a good business.
A person came and eat one mandazi and one tea.
Because after Sushi Radio, hey, let me tell you one thing. If it could be chapati, I can take 5 of them.
Hey, bro.
I don't mind. I don't like mandazi. I'm not a lion.
Are you a Simba?
Well, guys, let me eat something. This is my bike here. Hey.
Hello baby.
Yes.
How is your man?
I'm good, my Rafik.
Hello baby. Nigunywa kahawa ni rinda.
Kahawa tambe usidicha heba be.
Oh. Kona bantu ba? Be shout out. Be shout out. Hello guys. First I wanted to congratulate Hello Baby because it is a fine morning here we meet again. And I think it's my first time to meet with Hello Baby on his recording video. Guys, I also have a YouTube channel. Go and check me at Nyeli001. Please keep supporting me and also support Hello Baby.
Why do you sit idle with no food here?
I don't want food this morning because I don't have appetite.
Let me tell you guys, it's bad behavior when I'm eating breakfast and my friend sit. Go and tell him to give you food.
No.
Why not kulipia? Not satisfied. If you are satisfied, sit behind
I don't have appetite.
Why? Guys, I want to buy for him some breakfast. Guys, you heard? For me, I want to buy for him breakfast and then she's not okay.
Yes, I'm feeling unwell. That's why I'm not in a good position so that they can eat food.
I am a mother. Okay guys, this mandazi over here. Let me pray for my breakfast. Small breakfast. I have mandazi, I have tea. Thank you, Father. Bless my food. When I take in Jesus' name, I pray. Amen. That's short prayer, guys. Don't mind.
Yes. Safi man. Niko fiti, mlipiga block safi? Naona ni safi sana. Mwagilia maji.
Mura Kirintoni. Otanga hata sahani mbele ndeka ya mamura.
Hi.
Mnyama.
Hi. Nation.
Mnyama.
Ahonde kamera tusumanje kidogo. Nora genderi ni video bada.
Ndaona uteme ntambe sana.
Kanora kambi kakeni akabaka.
Introduce me. I'm rolling camera.
Okay, guys, this is Nation_254. How are you, bro?
I'm good.
I see you are here mixing some mandazi and tea.
Yes, Kirintoni. Umpe mandazi mara chai. It's morning.
Give me nini.
So Mnyama himself.
So Mnyama is here, guys. Hello, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for the love and support. Yeah, I'm the guy who is always rolling my things, and the guy of grace.
You have something.
Yeah. How are you, man?
I'm good.
How is everything?
Everything is good.
Yeah. I see you somewhere yesterday with the video.
Haya uma. Najua unakunyaga.
Wewe mweke 20 mura.
You know.
After yenyewe makora na vile hofu mura. Ama mna maziwa.
He's speaking local language. Yes.
Letoe ng'ombe.
Umpe mandazi.
Niwekee oda ya maziwa.
Takunywa cream, si ndio?
Umpe mandazi.
Mandazi is what, guys?
Call snack or snack. I don't know. I don't know on mandazi. It could be chapati. 5 of them.
Bana mambo ya songi.
Pata karatasi.
Give me a
Karatasi. Karatasi means this small protein paper.
What is the plan of today, man? I see.
Today I'm going to cook food for my family. From here, I'm going to Tanzania, buying fish. I come back home, fry them. Hey, you are a good servant. Thank you.
Be blessed.
Be blessed.
Welcome.
Amen. Yeah, tunakukagulia. Anyway, guys, we shall meet on the next video. So let us enjoy this breakfast here. So like we don't want to do like table manners, eating food
While talking.
My friend, you enjoy.
Thank you, man.
This one I want to buy for him a breakfast.
No, I'm good.
He refused, like he was satisfied in the morning.
I'm in an appetite.
An appetite.
Yes.
Okay, you watch us as we eat.
No worry.
Okay.
Yes. Come on.
Guys, I finished taking my breakfast. Like I left my guy here. Okay, Turamani. Okay. Bye. Yes, guys. Turamani is a vernacular language. See you later. Guys, I'm back at home after visiting one of my friends at Sunset Cave. So actually today on my videos, that being said earlier, I want to prepare delicacy meal for my family, and that's the fish. So I'm going to Tanzania to buy fish, and first let me take you around. At the same time, I want to milk the cow for the first time, and I will see maybe my technique how to milk the cow. You will see, guys. Imagine. For the first time preparing meal for my family. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Yes, that's my mama. So it's all morning over here. So let me take you outside and see what's going on. Welcome outside, guys. Oh. Let's go. I'm telling you guys, yesterday I bought some stones to trip, and I closed the chapter of buying stones here and there. So right now what I'm going to work for, maybe blocks and a cement. So I'm running with 3 things: blocks, like blocks, 3 things: blocks, balance stone, and cement. Ready to go. telling you guys. Wow. Maybe in case I have my new subscriber here, they will catch up my yesterday videos, go and watch them. But I poured here some stones, man. This I'm calling home, and you see how I'm struggling, going to the deep village looking for the stones with a guy of tippers here and there. Look, so like this one trip, second trip, hey, a lot of stones, man. Here it's by God's grace. And I was going around. I'm going to take the cow, imagine, to milk the cow for the first time. So this is the second trip. That's the first trip. Let me show you guys. Yesterday I poured here, the first trip, and this is the second trip also here. Imagine. So I realized one thing: if you want to build a house, and like on that day is the day that you want to buy stones, mason are on work, you don't have stones, man, I'm telling you, it's hectic. Those guys who brought you some stones, they take you around like cornering. Oh, I'll come tomorrow, and then your work been stopped. So right now I want to gather more materials in our ground. So let's see. So that's my mama right there. So they've already taken the cow. One day I'll change this home. Guys, you advise me, don't demolish that house. It's because this is the share of my dad and I'm supposed to build here. Maybe if I could have enough space, I could maybe left this house. But because of the space, we demolished them. So my mama, she's right there coming with that cow, and probably I want to milk for the first time. So this is my mama. We want to milk this cow here. I'm telling you. All my today's vlog is to prepare delicacy meal, but it's good to start with the introduction. Let's go. Hey mama, be very careful. I milk the cow. I went to border town. I buy fish. Actually, I went to Tanzania. I buy fish. Mama, sikuna nyanya? Sikuna vitungu? Yeah, I'm asking mama, did you have tomatoes and onions? So she told me yes, because I remember there's a time I bought some onions. Avocado. Let's go inside. I want to milk you. Right guys, I want to wash my hands here, and I'm going to milk the cow. Oh, even this one. Oh, Bruno. Right now it's all, hey man, I'm telling my dog is growing so big. So it's all morning, there's no need to go outside. Chill. We want to milk. First, the calf will suck to give. Guys, don't mind the noise from my dog. Like, it wants to go outside, and it's like morning here. Gota cher. Kanina ko gota ndai. Kwanza takam. So first the calf start like sucking their mother, like those stuff, and then we start milking. Guys, are you ready for this? You want to see how Hello Baby milking? Don't mind the noise for my dog. But inside here, no lights. That's how you see me, like. Oh. Life in the countryside. Watch the milk. Okay, Mama, hold for me a camera. Twimerhan. Mahar. Balikiga. Temera hayo baba. Hivyo. So guys, I want to milk right now. I'm telling you. Hata hikoriga.
Kama ndio wambari yungu seruri chengwa krebi.
Mama, takori kana ngikubereke camera. Guys, I'm struggling with my mama to hold the camera. Hello baby on the control. You heard? Guys, subscribe to my channel. I'm telling you. No. Hello.
Hello, vipi kwa?
Niko nyumbani.
Unaweza kuja hapa saa hapa na bwana.
Hata nimalize kukamua nikuje saa hii.
Itakuchukua dakika ngapi?
Kama dakika 10 hivi nakamua juu mama hayuko.
Sawa. Hakikisha basi.
Guys, I was receiving the call. Mama, put this camera like that way. Why do you put closer? Guys, sorry for interruption. Wow. No problem, guys. This milk here. See, right here. This milk over here. I think I've already finished milking to come. Let's go. All the way from here up to Tanzania. Oh, because I was milking, let me wash my hand. Sorry guys, if sometime maybe you see the videos maybe shaking or didn't film well, notice that she was my mama who held for me a camera, assist her to milk, and I was interesting to milk the cow. Imagine. My baby is dirty, but I washed today. Literally from here to Tanzania, it's around 40 minutes by driving, going and coming back. Let me say I will use 1 hour going and coming back to make shopping here and there and probably I'll see, maybe to buy fried fish I came to cook, or like fresh fish to the normal process we cook. But it's good to buy uh, fresh fish I come to cook at home, because we have enough cooking oil. Why not? We have onions. Why not? So you will see, guys. And today I want to do things in order, because rest of my brother and sister, they will come and found something on table so they can eat. And it's my daily activity to check whether there is maybe full of cleanness inside. We have water, so probably you know how we're struggling, guys, together building this toilet, and you advise me here and there. So let's see. Let's see. 24 hours. This toilet must be clean, and the reason why being here is to check whether there is water inside here. Guys, there is water here. No, see, there's water. Then do like this. There is water. Simply because in our village here we have the problem with water, because like you must have the borehole here, but one day, guys, I'll have those things. So it's by God's grace. So let's go and see. Guys, enjoy this vlog to the end. So after this, I'm heading to Tanzania making shopping, guys. So stay tuned. Guys, finally, I'm heading to Border Town, and today I'm going to use that new bike there. Congrats to that bike. Big shout out to the person who made it possible, and may God bless you. And actually, guys, I was being given this bike going to Tanzania because I'm a good driver, and actually just over here, look, man, it's a brand new stuff, man. Just here is 150cc. I'm telling you, this 150 HLX, brand new bike, and it has some memory. I drive from Kisii County up to Migori County. Imagine, alone here. So technically I want to drive up to Tanzania just within over there. Wow, so let's see. And I want to wear my jacket because because it's cold when I'm driving the bike. I'm telling you, free of charge. Let me place my camera here so I can wear the jacket. Oh, guys, I want to wear the jacket as we go. Right now, guys, I'm just okay. Don't mind. I'm going to buy fish for my family and to prepare delicious meal at this morning. Because of time here and there, technically, let's see how things go. Wow, because of the music and copyright here and there with that bike. So let's go. This bike, it's on a number 3 gear, and it's TVS. Wow. Guys, I hope you're ready for this. Wow. Wow. That's how I go, man. So let's see how things go. Another beautiful place here. This is the cow going to the grazing point down there. Wow. Let's go. Digo moro. Wow. Hey machine, let's go. Up to Tanzania, man. Imagine driving. It's go these videos up to Tanzania, and maybe in case people are new here, they will see how Tanzania looks like. Maybe people will ask me, hello baby, what's up? How do you manage to cross to Tanzania with like maybe no passport? I'm telling you, it's our neighboring country. I cross as I want. I make some shopping here and there. So you see guys, they're on 4th gear. So I need to reduce the gear. Up to border town. I buy the fish and all stuff, you know what I mean? This is Nyabohanse for you. Wow. After this place, I'm going to meet the tarmac road, the main road, as we go. On Thursday morning. It's a market day, so probably I will take you, maybe it depends. There's a time I take people to the market, you'll see where they're buying goats, cow, chicken, whatever, sheep. Wow. Let's go. Border town, guys, it's located near the border of Kenya and Tanzania. So most of the time we make shopping Tanzania. Guys, today I'm so happy, but no time for negativity. I'm telling you guys, true story. Here we go. Wow. Wait. Guys, sorry for the windy, but I'm outside. I think to have the microphone on my camera, because of the windy, it can balance. Wow. Going that way. Whoa. And I'm driving slowly up to border town. No pressure. Wow. So over here, they cut tax. That's where we see the truck stuck here. Over there, you see when that lady, they cut tax. In our country, especially in Kenya, we pay tax, but most of the places, we have poor roads. No electricity, like the place where I came from, no power. Imagine. But all in well, thank God for the gift of life. So that's Roman Catholic Church over there. Hey. Whoa. That's my touch right there. Guys, as I keep moving on, please subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. This is your day to subscribe, guys. The year of 2025 is the year of success. Let's see how this go. I can't wait to build my mama dream house, man. Woo. Amazing view over there. You see green nature, guys. That's an incredible story of loading of the car. I'm telling you guys, in Kenya here, they were being corrupt. We are corrupt. People can overload the car and then police doesn't look that mistake. Oh. Wow. So this is a Shell over here. It's a new petrol station down there. You can't tell. Border town for you, the entrance of border town. I'm telling you, free of charge. You have the Mexican right there. Wow. Guys, to be honest, 100%. This border town, and it's a business town. You can tell in the comment section. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey. We have Spania police station down here. If you make a mistake, like if you try to rob, you've been caught by jail. Wow. I'm keep rolling this camera to the end. Please guys, subscribe. I need your subscription, and don't skip ads on my videos, guys. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official, by watching the videos, watching the ads. At the end of the month, I change my family, buying material here and there. Yeah. Wow. Right there, that's the maize corn. That's how we dry the maize corn, I'm telling you. Wow. Selling tank. Wow. Imagine, guys, I'm going to buy fish right now as I speak. That's a tourist. There's a tourist taking a U-turn. So let's see. I want to have something small here. Guys, today I left my bike outside, and he was a close friend of mine when he came to Tanzania. He kept looking after my bike right there. Okay guys, so I left my bike here and it's brand new. Sorry for the noise, because right now we have music here and there. We follow the vibe to the end. Subscribe to my channel. It is what it is. Me, I don't care. So right now I'm in Tanzania. Tanzania is one of the popular countries which have been colonized by the German. So we're heading this way. Right. TikTok. Live. Live. Unaweza ingia. Lakini ni YouTube sio TikTok. Hii ni YouTube sio TikTok. Okay. Most of the time people think that I'm doing TikTok, but this is Life and Career YouTube. Anyway guys, welcome to Tanzania right now. Most of the popular countries which have been colonized by the German. I'm telling you. Let's go and buy those clothes. No, not clothes. I'm going to purchase fish here and there. I know how to deal with those two people. Record. Let's go. Today no sardines. Today I'm buying the fish. How I'll deal with those people here. Today I'm not going this way. I want the red fish. Leo nachangia huyu.
Hey, welcome to the fish man. We are here.
Leo moja nichangia.
Leo ni hapa.
Ni zako na mali za huyu.
Yeah. Za kwangu.
Hapa shilingi.
You are selling 200.
Sasa hivi mvua imenyesha, samaki ni wengi mtoni.
Kwenye hivi hii hapa 250. Hii hapa ni 300, ila nitakufanyia 250.
Kwani mbona naona hii ni kubwa, hii ni ndogo?
Hii ni kubwa. Nitakufanyia 250, 250.
Mbona?
Na zenyewe 250.
Hapo maana ni tofauti.
Wewe sasa ndo utaangalia.
Ni wekundu.
Wewe utaangalia sasa.
Wewe ndo utaangalia penye utachukua.
Wewe hapa shilingi
1500.
Waambie 200 faza. Hata mambo ya
250.
Nitafanya
200 hizi hapa.
au sasa utafanya 200 hapa.
200 hapa. Hizi za 300 200.
Mayulo.
Kama
iko 150 hapo.
Ngoja leo nichange hapa.
Haya.
Toe ngapi? Yeah. Toe ngapi?
Kama unarusha nyingi, sichukui nyingi hivyo.
Niambie leo ngapi?
Tupo wachache, familia yetu ni wachache. Tengeneza mbili kwanza.
Hizi zinakuwa
Fresh.
Tutamrekebisheni.
Tutafanya repita matutoma.
Ona.
Hiyo sio fresh.
Fresh. Maki ni fresh. Yote nzaleo.
This is removing the outer skin. My work is to go and cook direct right now. Guys, I was hiding my camera because of the music. They're removing the skin. It's fresh fish. Unaona zinezi hizi vidole
Yani ile inatoka baharini sasa. Unajua bahari ina mambo mengi sana.
Ama hizi ni zile za kufuga. Hizo za kufuga wanapatia madawa. Ndio maana tupendi samaki za Kenya.
Hizo si za huko.
According to the price, you have for $5, $10, and for me, I'm buying for the $3.
Sasa umesikia? Napiga hesabu. Yaani umekwenda sehemu wale watu mkoa hili, wale watu wanapigia hesabu kwanza siku. Wanaona milioni 10, milioni 10. Wanakuja kushuka chini kwenye kiatu kuna milioni 22.
Alright guys, thank you so much. We shall meet on the next video. I left my fish here. I want to buy some carrier bag and also let me say a little bit tomatoes. Ai, kifuko chako kiko wapi?
Washingapi? Wa 500?
Nipe wa 500. Ichi? Nipe hii. Ama si zako. And then I want to promote her business. Daga hapana. Mafuta yapo bwana. Zo ziko. Bwana vyo. Kwani mfuko si wako? Yameenda wapi? Sinunui vitu zingine. Mfuko si wako.
Ulikuwa unataka huu?
Si baby vitu vingi ni samaki tu na nyanya.
Mimi unaenda kwa daga.
Daga santa.
Nyanya na ikata shilingi sasa.
Eka hizo kubwa kubwa. Buying tomatoes. Hiyo kijani shingapi?
Tutahesabu.
I want to add for my mama tomatoes as I can. Sasa unachanganya na mbichi. Unachagua metobu yenu gigigunde. Tomatoes. Raw fruit can go for $3. I'm telling you. Swatch hapo. Unajuta kumetwanga hela.
Dikitoni shikia hapo.
Elfu? Haya. That one goes for 250. Rough. That's Kenyan money. Goes for that small shopping. Ni ukaenda kunyengeri?
Hapana, nilikuwa napanga.
Ni hivi.
Akasuko.
Haya, nipe ya 50 sasa. Sasa mimi unaona Akasuko. Nimekupa shilingi ngapi?
Umenipea mimi. Suko si 30.
Ni 30. Sawa.
Asante.
Okay guys, so let's go back home. Wait. Make shopping here. Yeah. Ile nguku bime gorogoro.
Anchangra na mimi
Inaonekana eti. I'm going to try them. So she's calling me to promote her business, guys. Let's do it. I hope to be na magana hi. Masasi wangu mubasano hata kuna mageno tarage no moreni.
Yani biko fresh.
Singo ringi wartora tikito. Wewe
Katiku mbona ama yakebra.
Tachuri hano.
Ama yakebra kunyori chimbi. Nakwambia akili ni nywele kila mtu ana zake.
What a good day, guys. I came here with one intention to buy the fish. I bought tomatoes. Okay. Mabira hata na gore hubire.
Nabitago sare kambrika.
Gonda bire.
Kubitoe kwenye kikento.
Kana bibi musire numurumbe tibirate me tibirate chimbo.
Unaviweka chini unamwaga hata kwenye nani.
Sawa.
Kwenye hata ungo au kwenye mfuko unavitandaza chini.
Ni kazi ya mama, mimi siko. Yeye apendezi yote shauri yake.
Najua ajicha msingi umepeleka. Aya, thank you my dear.
Okay, you welcome.
Asante.
It's time to go back home. I'm telling you guys, I came with one intention to buy only fish, but because of the customers here and there, and they were being good friends of mine, so the shopping here. Imagine. Oh, I bought tomatoes. I bought sardines. Around $10. Oh. But guys, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Comment and also give a video a like and drop the sweet comments. Let me know it in the comment section. What do you think about? Imagine all the shopping that you see here goes to $10. Imagine. I'm telling you, if you come to Africa, especially in Kenya, you can survive with $100. You can survive around 1 month free of charge. So let's go and see. This is how Tanzania looks like. Imagine the shopping here. Na pikipiki yangu fadi. Simple life in Tanzania. Because of time, let me rush home and prepare the food for my family. So that being said, that's how things they are here. The only thing remaining is to wash the fish and cook. So guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, so right now I came from other side. I'm heading this way. That's how Tanzania looks like. I have the shopping here. What a good day. So up to home. This is how Tanzania looks like on camera, but one day if you come, you will see live. I'm keep going home with the bike here, shopping here. This is another story from East Africa, Kenya, but right now I'm in Tanzania. So let's go. Keep rolling the camera to the end. Subscribe to my channel. Oh, that's a career trans line. Life in my countryside, but today I'm in another country. We have a nice restaurant there. Let's go. The only issue that I don't like problem is to face with the immigration place, like government place. You know, I respect that. Let's go. Let's go. So guys, I need to pause my video here. I'm telling you, man, at work. tourist vehicle. And they're migrating to Tanzania for maybe traveling to look for the wild animal. So right now I'm in Kenya. I'm free right now, so to do my things here and there. Alright guys, so right now I left the tarmac road. I'm using this shortcut here going home. The shopping. We have the sharp corner here. Guys, the time was so limit here. I'm rushing to prepare this lunch, like delicious meal. Oh, the road is bad, man. But probably let's go. At the same time, guys, I see my battery camera is almost to die, like went off. I hold the shopping like this, going home. Wow, amazing view over here. Chilling place. I have the bike here. Oh, hello baby official. Your brother is outside to chase his dream. Your son is outside. Please watch this video till the end. We have Achiever School. We have the kids there. Wow. So when my brother and sister came from school, they will find a nice meal on table, which his brother prepared for them. And not only my family, even I myself here. We have the shop there. Hey. This is how morning looks like here. Going home right now. We go home like that way, guys. Imagine. Let's go and see how things go. Yeah. Go on. Let's go and see how things they are here. I've already come to my village right now. Oh man. Alright guys, because I have everything here and there, and going this one is somehow bad. So stay tuned, guys. We shall meet when I'm preparing this lunch dinner. Alright, guys, I'm back home at the bike at the shopping here for my mama, and I think my mama she prepared chapati. Let's see. Mama, tell me what? Mom. So I'm telling Mama to turn the music off because I didn't mind. I don't like copyright. When I'm one day teaching, it's okay. When you're there, you got to take a size you go. So, guys, my mama she have no idea, and I can't complain. You know, when I left at home, I didn't tell her what is going on, and I came, I found she was preparing chapati for dinner, actually for my brother and sister. So maybe mama, this one will be supper time. Maybe you know they have a supper.
Aye.
You're wrong. So I'm waiting her to finish cooking chapati, and that they will see what's inside here. Actually make the shopping for $10. Oh guys, how do you see? I cook this fish for the supper time, and because of time, let me check the time, guys. It's good to go with time, you know. Time is money, never recover. So it's around 11:30 a.m. in the morning here. Almost like less than 1 hour to approach lunchtime. So maybe I'm gonna decide what my mama should have prepared for the lunch. So this one could be for the supper time. But the fish is just inside there, no pressure, and I want to make the videos like preparing for my family. Okay. And also kutuchogi. They also keep a couple of videos. Well, guys. Alright, guys. I think my mama have already finished up, so it's time to check what I brought to her. Imagine you can brought even a bomb. So they're taking chapati into the house. Oh man, I can't wait to enjoy the food on table. But I'm the one who's going to fry the food, like fry them. My cocoa garlic for my family. Hey man, I hope you're ready for this. But next month, I think by God's grace, I could buy blocks. Thank you so much, guys, by keep supporting me by watching my videos. I'm trying to transform this family. Imagine by watching my videos, like yesterday I buy 2 tippers of stones. I closed that chapter for the stones. My mama, she was the witness, I'm telling you. And imagine today I have $10 in my pocket. I make shopping for my mama. Look, it's alright. A time like this, I'm just alone here with my mom. Other brother and sister went to school. Coming lunch, going back, and one of my brothers studied far away from the village. But for me, I value education. I want in Jesus' name to try to give my family, like my young sibling, good education. To be well educated, to be well knowledgeable, things like that. Me, when I get money, that's how I promote my family. Imagine, guys. You can tell in the comment section. So this is like basin here. Mama today. I bought the sardines. So bring the stuff with both sardines. Put your tomatoes. Imagine, guys. And for me, I'm trying to encourage young youth like me. If you have something else that maybe like small man that you have, keep pushing your family. And like yesterday you saw, I support one of the upcoming YouTuber here and there by keep pushing her channel, guys. Go and check for instance, subscribe, comment, and tell her that you came from Hello Baby. Okay, ma'am. This you can put down everything. You put your sardines. There's this sardines that I bought in Tanzania. I'm not faking things like I bought and then when I came back home, I didn't see. Wow. And it's the fresh sardines, guys. I'm telling you. Binamanji. And then, mom, I bought for you tomatoes. Tori chinyanya mono. Kana muhutunoto. That's tomatoes. I think it can fill. These things can be full of tomatoes. And last time I bought for my mama another tomatoes. I'm telling you guys, inside here, plenty of them. I do these videos earlier. In Swahili words, they say the mapema ni best. If you do videos early in the morning, is the best. Rather than maybe doing during daytime where you're feeling so tired like a goat. Alright. So these tomatoes, all of these that you see here, goes to $3. $6. Fish I bought around $4. I'm telling you. Okay. Okay, mama, take inside. You come and prepare the fish. For me, guys, I had no idea how to prepare the fish, but to fry them, I know. So maybe it's to wash them, like to wash these two fish, putting salt here, and then you dry them in sun. I think things like that. Oh man, this is my house. Sometime when I imagine I myself where I came from, up to now, I said, God, thank you so much. Being blessed on this family. I'm not perfect enough, but I'm trying to change this family step by step, guys. And it's by the one that maybe like if I make positive videos every day, you people, you're really motivating me. And for me, no time with negativity. I'm telling you, no time with negativity. I can't waste my energy, like all my energy to like chatting with negative. No. So I'm just focus my own things. Even right now, we have the maize here. That's how my mama packed the maize. And because it doesn't have the store, they pack here. And then when they grind them, they dry them and keep it in their house here and there. But at the time when it's reached to build my mama dream house there, I will create a small store where they can put the food stuff here and there. Mom, cannot touch. Yeah, I'm calling my mama. This is my mom. In case you're new here, you don't know my African mom. That's my African mom for the first time. Maybe you are new on this vlog. That's my mom. And actually, guys, to be honest, most of the people ask me, why do you call your mom African mom? You are true in Africa. We born and raised in Africa. Why not? Even I personally, I'm Africa. I'm Kenyan citizen, but I'm Kenyan citizen here, where I'm born and raised. Actually, right now, I'm speechless. To be honest, I'm speechless. Let me wait for my mama to come and then see all process of making the fish. Start 20. You've been seeing it. Ndoma. Wewe hesabu kieka hapo.
Bilengo kutorushirira.
Sita mama. Bili. Tatu.
Tumbebele pa mwisho
Fungu 4. Ambili vinyongeza. 8.
Acha kwanza hivi. Oh. Aizo pelekea anti ape watoto wake kule ranch. Si unajua Robi? Mpe. Temki vile nyumba. Umesema taba nini? Kono unichange usokiri ngosare baadaye.
Haina shida. Utapewa yule mtoto mdogo anaitwa.
Lakini ujuchukua kidishi. I bought the fruits like banana for my family. Okay, Mama, come we prepare the fish. That's the advantage to stay around at home here. Why not? We keep moving, rolling the camera. And for me, maybe that's how I keep practicing I myself. Maybe in future when I get wife material, I could know how to balance the budget here and there. I could maybe good role father in my family, like personally my family. Like if I have wife material in the future, not now guys, in future, I could be a good father of my kids, good father of my wife. That's how I'm trying to, like, to things. George kwa kidishi basi. Umempa? Ai. Imefungwa njo.
Sasa ni ruota.
Mane boy rohara takura. She fear the dog. Oh mama. So let's wash. Guys, my parents encouraged me to be a good person. That's how you see maybe nowadays I'm a good person. Me, I'm telling you, I'm not lying. Since I was young, I'm a good person. For real. Up to nowadays. And like to make budget here and there. I'm planning to build my mama dream house. There's some challenges that I want to know maybe in future as maybe a husband to somebody else. I could maybe manage how to build the house, how to take my kids in good way, all stuff. So for my youths who are watching these videos, please help your parents outside there. I'm telling you, no matter what, help your parents. Oh, Nkubyogyore. Usuku chaneke. Yeah. Chogi ambe kini charge kamera no kidogo nichi.
Wiki charge.
Lene panta ke wikar.
Saya ambucho mechika muke.
Okay, you wash mama mbuye.
Tori chumbi.
Ndani.
Kana vetika ntori chumbi.
Tuko here ndani. So you must be very careful, mama. There is some like bones, fish bone. You must be very careful. I don't want you to face some challenges like, oh, I washed the fish, injured my hand. Hey, you do like that. Hey. If I could have enough money, man, I'm telling you, I could buy the whole bigger fish. But this one, it can serve my family. But I'm so sorry, guys. This one will be the part of my supper time. Imagine. So I came, I found my mama. Prepare chapati. How am I going to do? If could were you, what could going to do? Like, if you find your parent cook the food or your mom cook the food and you have planned in the morning you're supposed to eat this. Let's follow the vibe with until the end, guys. Oh, I'm speechless for now. That's my hair. That's my, and actually, guys, it's my natural hair. I'm telling you, it's my natural hair. Let me say, this year when by God's grace we turn the next year, 2026, it's maybe like it's far away. Which year? Atachana kirwa por kana sasa ko cha tatora mbichumbi sasa bene ngucha sangapi sasa patu ni para ragera nacho
Taunyala kon tumanya muitano mutiani bao.
This all. Okay, mama. Me no idea, no problem. You can prepare that for the, I came to prepare that for the supper time because you cook chapati and my brother is like, it's on this like on the process of doing exam here and there. My mama asked me about the power bank.
Shange korora.
Ay. Teningi chaji haki konich. All the way from my village, going to boost the fun. Okay. Fun, like in Swahili known as karai. Today I'm chef. A good people to be a local chef. I'm telling you. Although our kitchen are smoky, but we flow with vibe to the end. Okay, mama, put the cooking oil. I think, mama, we can work you kuma papa orange. Usige paka sapa. Eh. So, because we have enough time. Up one, think I'm good. Better. So first thing we fry. Like we boil cooking oil on this pan here. That's how you do things. Oh guys. Let's enjoy this vlog to the end. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Lord, to 10k subscriber, I appreciate for the love and support. I'm the guy who climbing the ladder slow. Each and every minute, I'm climbing. Alright guys, so let me wash my hand as I think to put those fish, I think one is okay because hygiene are very important. Very important. The other fish, man, over here. Woo! You see? I'm frying. But then you can get a maroma back. Can no hey. Guys, I'm boiling the fish. Mama, you must be very careful. You will see, guys, how I'm preparing the food for my family. All right, you put two. Can I not right here? Hey. The fish are in the shell of the man. You know to serve. About the whole is it at you? So I give my mama to put for me and then I keep rolling. When the cooking oil is like, shh, man, it's burning even the face because I'm new. That's okay. Guys, sorry, we didn't have enough light inside here, but I see the fish. I know that you see where I hear in the home way. One extra guys, our pan is too small, and maybe in future we improve. Wow. What are you going to do? Wow, guys. So I'm squeezing the firewood as I talk with my mom. Imagine, guys. That's the fish. It's down there. Alright, guys. Correct. Guys, do the fish here. We have another one here, and right now, guys, I want to. Okay, let me show you that fish. They are the same. Let's see. It's just over here. Both two of them. Hey guys, I'm telling you, it's so hot down there. So I want to chop tomatoes. Oh, you will see, guys, this tomato, and my hand is clean. Oh, guys, I want to chop tomatoes here. Oh, cut this part. I'm telling you, guys, chopping tomatoes into small pieces. Hey, I'm telling you, in a good, I'll be a good chef in the future. Oh, guys, chopping tomato. After that, onion, and then fry. I'll cook quite fried fish for my family. Put more tomatoes. Cut this part here because it's bad, like that way. I'm telling you. Oh my God. Put more tomatoes as I can. No pressure on that. Simple life in my countryside here. Guys, I'm telling you, this is enough. And I want to chop tomatoes. I want to chop tomato. Oh no, onions. So one, I think it's enough. Just over here. Okay. Oh my God. What a simple life in my countryside here. Hey, I'm telling you. I'm learning these things, guys. Don't mind. I'm telling you guys. Oh my god. Let me get it one. Okay. Ooh. And finally, I finish up. I have tomatoes and onions, so I put fria. Can I get them? Put fria. My mama is watching me how I'm going to prepare the food. Wow. Imagine, guys. You have the fish here. Onions go first, followed by tomatoes and then fish. What a blessed day to my family. And also, I'll scoop the cooking oil from this pan here. Okay. Wow. Let me light the fire. Hey. This is a pipe. You see. But I'm not going to fry too much fish, like both of them, a little bit, because the rest they're enjoying. Okay, let me scoop cooking oil from here. We don't put much cooking oil. I think that one is enough. Because we are not eating too much cooking oil. I'm struggling. Yeah. I want to put onions. You have the cooking stick. Oh, things are falling down. Shagala bagala. Oh my god. Oh. Imagine, guys, if you could have a gas cooker. Ah man, I'm telling you, it's faster. It's metallic. Set it straight. I think the onions are ready. It's ready. It's time to put tomatoes just over here. Like, boom. I left like 5 minutes, like 5 seconds to be cooked, and then crashing them. I think it's finally, guys, it's ready. So do like this. So my mama decide, let's eat lunch with organ and fish, and then supper time we eat chapat. Tomatoes. Hello, baby. I'm on the control, guys. Prepared food for my family for the lunch time. I supposed to do this on weekend, but because of time, I'll put small soup. Hey, fire is lighting here. I don't want my brother come and my brother and sister crying. No lunch. Yeah. I think okay. Like, let me put fish. I think this one, mama. Tamotora day. Yeah. Jamoro. Okay. I add a small soup. I'm telling you, in the future, I'm taking the spoon. In the future, will be good chef. So me, this one I'm preparing for my family, for my brother and sister. Yeah. Let's see. Ah, you see that? Comment on the comment section. What do you think about on today's vlog? Okay, guys. Unone boga mianko haya kyamu. Okay. Guys, I bought scales here. How can you be a code? Tau mta yako vya 50. Utayangu chande ho sasi. Tau mta yako vya 50 ore nguchande. Takenge ruwa mama ronku ngani mkisukumena. Kiburu rama. Mama tamu hisukuma ibirasi. Birasi nire. Tamu hawoni sukuma ya 20. Utachumu hichimbiri.
Tigamu bemera ke muhano.
Otigichimbi utachumu hichimbiri.
Acha ko ari vituri.
Hakem
Mara mama no matajo aondu
wiki. Mungu macho achusa bichimbiri rero ntachusara nikigobe.
Wetigamu tori birasi.
Tamotora ndama. Tigwa wotor. Mungu moja ni anachini kwa rubiri ingiri niko bigusiri. Sawa. Tigana now. Guys, because of lunchtime, we're supposed to have kales aside. Guys, I'm back home. Guys, finally I'm back home from Nyabanse market. I forget to buy kales or green color. And I met my sister. Say hello.
Hello.
You came from school? You came for lunch. Amekuja lunch is Swahili words. She came for lunch. Right there. So because of time here and there, today is a crazy day and my mama decided they must eat food. So this kales here, or sukuma wiki. In other way, you called green collard, guys. So guys, I want to cook. So guys, I want to cook brown ugali. I don't know how they will take with this cake. I'm telling you, this brown ugali, direct cassava. What is it? Okay guys, I'm telling you. This brown ugali. They will eat with fish. Buita. Okay, let's add more. You see that? This brown nugget for you guys. You know how to cook brown nugget? Mira togi bintu marake. Yeah. Tasa tadora kali mukibate karakoyo. Yor kibugi badaruga. Ikrahaba. Ayo. Guys, I'm cooking here. It's hard. What the hell? It's hard, guys. Hey. Hello, baby on the control. Imagine this sugar within 20 minutes, it's already, even right now as I speak here. This brown nougat for you guys. Go ahead. Okay, that is alright. My brother, come on and say hello. Say hello.
Hello.
Yes, because of time. You see how I'm removing this sugar here. It's simple. Let's take this sugar here. Show them. Okay. Okay, guys. This sugar for you. That possible. Alright, guys. It's time for lunchtime. And my sister is just over here washing their hands. We have brown ugari. We have the fish. Although right now we decided to cook one fish because in the evening they will take another one. So right now we have chapati here and there. You can share, mama. It's a total more yende more kikopen. Hey. Guys, for sure, it's by God's grace, I'm telling you. Okay, me and my brother will share this one because I have the less money, so we try to share this one. Eh? I'm telling you, man, it's lunch time. So guys, borok nani miketamle. Moga kai harapons. Borok kai nuk. Oh guys, special food that we have in table here. I'm telling you. Oh man, we are eating here special food with my family. All right, let's enjoy. Yeah, I'm just okay. Kau itu cuma nih.
Nzuri ni jumbe ndrokwe.
Right now we are enjoying the food here. Then my sister is. Anyway, guys, it's good to share food with my family as we're living together, and things move on. things move on. This is a fish. My family is enjoying me. I'm just okay. So nowadays I didn't take too much food. Look. Yeah. It's so
96,
nice.
mama. 96, 99 of
Like we are men, you are eating so fast and then you forget the issue of eating. But a mom and her daughter eating slowly. Wasikilize utamu. Yeah, it's good to eat slow, but men who eat faster, forget. Muita, ndatarania manchi ninyo tu. Imagine, guys. God, thank you so much. Nowadays we eat food, we put something on table. A day like this, in back years, we didn't put something on table. And guys, me, I'm telling you true story. It's by God's grace, everything happened. It's on time. Imagine you have brown ugali here, and it's remaining. For the first time, I stood my mom and my brother in my house eating the food. Normally, I was eating alone and all stuff. So wash your hand. You make sure you drink water. I take you to school. And on your mind. So I'm telling my sister when she take maybe drinking water and then take them to school. Okay, Mama, you're the last one. You eat slowly.
Bye.
Pole. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. May God bless you abundantly. For those people keep. Bring water. So this is water here. As we eat, and then we rest 5 minutes, you take water. Waiter. Igichungi hokere. Chunga manche kanombe nini? Kanonga. Afucha buchike kombe. Ataka no more. Ta uchunga makuhomwa tokubu mahu. Okay. Do so. Achunga munongini. Alright guys, thank you so much. May God bless you. We shall meet on the next video, but on today's videos, let me know what do you think about. But for me, are very special, and I want to return this bike because maybe they need to go around. And guys, go and check David Jr. Subscribe to his channel. I really appreciate for the love and support, guys, because he was the one who put me on this platform, introduced me to you, and I really appreciate, man. I really appreciate. And for me, I want to help one of a young upcoming YouTuber. She's a young lady. Guys, go and check her at Fairy Chris, and then maybe one day I will host her on my channel. So guys, we shall meet on the next video. Bye.